Hey, Susan here. Thanks for joining me again. I'm inside my EPUB Tech Reviews Solo Build It website, and today I'm going to show you how to add more than one image to your library. So I'm going to go to the image library in Site Central, and I can now select up to 10 images at once. So I'm going to browse, and bear with me now while I try and find them. I shall pause this a minute. And we're back. I've just found where they are in this folder. So I'm going to go click, click, click. Well, I'll be annoyed if this, there we go. Click, 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 open. When you're writing the description here, the descriptive name, it is for the alt tag, so make this nice. So there's Easy Food Dehydrating website. Finally, keto website, and I can't spell my own name, Susan Gast website. So we'll add all three at once. And I'm going to take you to the page where I was working on that. Okay, they've been uploaded. I'm now going to go back up to Site Central, and I'm going to look for the SBI Solo Build It review. And what I was going to do was, instead of just having one massive image showing this website that I'm building, I thought I could put a few more. So I'm going to drag on a responsive grid. We have 3 websites to put on there, right? So I'm going to make that 3 on my devices and 111 for phones. Add the grid. Now we're going to drag an image. The red bar shows you where it's going to drop it, or where you're going to drop it. Now we're going to look for, I'll put the EFD on mic. Perfect, there it is. Next one is going to be finally keto on mic. Next one is going to be Susan Gast on mic. So fine and dandy, right? But let's go and click on it, go to the alt tag, copy it and put it in the title text. Ditto, copy title text. Last but not least, copy, and we shall paste. And let's see what that looks like. This is only day 4 of this website. If I look a bit tired, now you know why. Been working night and day. So there you go. What I might do is put these in a gallery actually. Now then, what's the benefit of that? It means when people click on them, it will bring it up bigger. And then gallery and gallery. And let's just preview that. And we shall see. It won't look any different, but oh, catch your eyes. When I click on that, it brings it up big, you see. Isn't that cool? I'm going to close that out. Whoops, so before I go any further, I've got a reusable block that I created, or I hope it's in here, and it should be called like gallery. Yay, gallery exit. It gives the instructions on what to do if you're on a phone and obviously on a desktop computer. Let's have another look again. And pardon me while I scroll. Let's pick on that one. There you go. And you can scroll between them, look. And you close it out here. We are now going to go back to that and build the page. Thanks for watching. That's a demonstration on how to add more than one image to your image library. Then you're not doing one. Okay. Bye for now.